In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online store in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to start selling products or services directly from your website, Hostinger makes the setup pretty approachable. We'll go through the process from turning on the store feature to adding products, setting up payments and shipping, and publishing everything so customers can actually place orders. One part that often causes confusion is a small but important setup choice that affects how your store works at checkout. So keep that in mind as we go. Start by opening your website editor in Hostinger Website Builder. On the left-hand side, click the store icon, which looks like a shopping bag. Then choose Add Store. This automatically inserts the default store pages into your website and also adds a cart icon, which your visitors will use when they're ready to buy something. After that, click Manage Store so you can begin entering the basic information your store needs. Inside the store management area, fill in your business details, including your business name, country, and currency. This part matters more than it may seem, because these settings help define how prices are displayed and how your checkout experience is structured for customers. Once that's in place, move to the product section. Click Add Product and choose the type of item you're selling. You can select physical products, digital products, services, or donations, depending on what your business offers. Then upload clear product images, add a title, write a description, and set the price. Try to make your product titles simple and your descriptions useful so visitors understand exactly what they're getting. When everything looks good, save and publish the product. To make sure shoppers can actually see what you've added, place a product section on your website pages so those items are displayed properly. Next, open Settings and go to Payments. From here, connect online payment methods like Stripe or PayPal, or turn on manual offline payments if that fits your business better. This is that setup choice I mentioned at the start, because your payment method directly affects what customers can do during checkout. After payments, open the shipping settings and create your delivery zones. Set shipping rates based on the regions you serve, so your store charges customers accurately. Then add your company details for customer invoices, review your tax rules, and test the checkout flow. Testing is a smart final check because it helps you catch setup issues before real customers do. Once the store setup is complete, customize your website design, including fonts and colors, so everything matches your brand. Preview both the desktop and mobile versions to confirm that the layout looks clean and aligned. When you're satisfied, click Publish in the top right corner to take your online store live. And that's it. You're all set. If this helped, hit the like button and drop any questions or tutorial requests in the comments below. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.